Meet the APEX 700, compact and big on cooling for small spaces and spot cooling areas, delivering up to 30 degrees cooler air. Engineered to cool up to 700 square feet with 1,400 cubic feet per minute of airflow, delivering a high-velocity breeze that can reach up to 60 feet. It stays impressively quiet at around 53 decibels, so cooling does not have to overpower the moment. Our patented space-saving design features a front airflow inlet, so you can place it flush to a wall and still get full performance. Aim cooling exactly where you need it with oscillating digital louvers, from a focused stream to an even sweep across the space. With CoolSync technology, control the unit over Wi-Fi right from your phone, including scheduling, fan speed, and monitoring water levels. Smart water management keeps operations smooth with digital water level indicators, plus fast refills through the hatch or a 3/4-inch hose connection. Built to move and built to last, with rugged construction and an industry-leading warranty for added peace of mind. From workshops and garages to patios, hospitality and events, the APEX 700 delivers targeted cooling wherever you set it. The APEX 700, get cooling that fits your space.